Nice. There. Sister.
You want to touch something? Does that taste?
Yes.
Alright, so thank you guys for coming out to Kyrie's first birthday. Alright, so we are here to celebrate Kyrie, and he's been here 1 year, and it's kind of hard for me to actually, you know, keep up with how fast Kyrie's moving, but in there I really want to celebrate him because he's so special, and we have a lot to celebrate about him, alright? So, kiddies, are you ready? Yes! Finally, may I get the sound number one? Yes! You ready? Yes! So,
And his
we're
auntie
going to
will
have
feed
a
him.
couple games, alright? So I want all my little ones to line up because we're going to have a couple games and we have a couple prizes, alright? So parents, I see to them here, so I'm sorry, but I'm going to be the nice aunt today, and you're gonna have to be the parents, alright? And deal with the hyperactiveness later. So, come on guys, let's line up. So,
Who this?
We are a Del Prat family. This squad, big up on yourself, you know the thing go.
ready? This. So, then like this. No? Then like so. Then like so.
Oh, you're gonna do this. Oh, you're gonna do this.
Right around. Hold on now. Deep breaths, you know. Alright. Ready? Okay.
Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
Alright.
That was good.
Alright, make Dion. Alright, Dion.
And mommy.
But daddy.
8. Alright.
Dion and mommy. Yay! Yes! Yes! Yay!
One last one.
Hey! All right. Let's go, Kaden. Let's go.
Okay then. Ready? One.
Yes. Yes.
This side.
Yes. 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 Yay! Hey, move it. Hey, let's go. Hey. Yes. Yay! Ready up, Jaden. Let's go. Yes. All right.
Yes.
What you mean, man? Respect, man.
Nice. We're gonna have one more game of musical chairs, alright?
I'm so excited.
Ready? The MC ready with the music? MC ready with the music?
Say hi, hello.
Hi.
Yes. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, everybody. How y'all doing?
Yeah, this is Val's Kitchen, guys.
Big up Val's Kitchen. Superstar in our village.
Yeah, you know.
He might gas me up.
Val's Kitchen. We do my chefing, you know.
Go back up, boss. Yeah. All right.
Direction.
All right, so when the music stops, you know what to do. All right. All right.
Ready? Ready?
All right.
No. All right.
Find a seat. Find a seat. Kaden.
All right, Kaden. You're out of the game. All right, Kaden.
All right, Kaden.
All right,
It's okay. You still get sweets, okay?
All right.
Kaden, look at me. Kaden, look at me. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be playing more games. All right. All right.
All right, Janelle.
All right, next round, round 2. Come on, guys.
Everybody's standing. Ready? All right, music.
Come on, guys. Round 2, round 2.
All right, let's go. Go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Ready?
The music don't stop yet. The music don't stop yet. Come on, continue, continue. Continue. Hey, Kyrie.
Look, Kyrie, look at them.
Oh, look at that. Oh, my God. What do you see that? He gave his sister the seat. He gave his sister the seat. Big man, high five, high five, high five. You're the real star, all right? You're the real star.
All right.
Oh,
everybody.
give her a hug, give her a hug, give her a hug. Give her a hug, give her a hug. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, Jen.
It's okay. Ready again, Jaden. Jaden, don't let the bigger ones beat you here. Don't let the bigger ones beat you, Jaden. Come, let's go. Jaden, eat them food, eat them food. Eat them food, Jaden. Oh, good. Jaden, one way, Jaden, one way. Oh my God! Oh my God! Jaden, you're good. Oh God! Jaden, you lose your bearings.
Yeah.
You lose your bearings.
I didn't realize the music stopped.
So we have in the final. Boy against girl. Boy against girl. All right. I'm my team girl, team boy. You know I'm neutral. Team anyone. I'm team anyone. Anyone. Go Kyrie. Go Jada. All right, ready? MC, hit the music.
I think
Since you know the game, you know?
exactly.
Oh my God! Oh, come! Hush! Champion girl! You're too bad.
All right, baby, come. You have your treat right here.
Yes. Wagwan. Yeah. Auntie Mandy, say hello.
All right, guys. So we're going to do one more round of musical chairs. Oh, Jaden said gonna win this one. All right, so we'll see. Okay.
No, I'm gonna win this one.
Okay. See. So.
Oh, this people.
Great core, man. Over there at the party still, I sing 2 tunes if the mic come in time. Huh?
Mike there, man. How are yourself, Mike there?
I know I'm still have it. I try still. Huh?
Come in, Joshy. Come beat them. We're playing musical chairs, huh?
Alright.
You don't know how to do it? We're gonna explain right now. Come, let's go.
All right.
Oh God! Alright. You win fear, you win fear, you win fear. Look at him. Alright.
Yes, you see my clap too.
Yes.
Yes, Kyrie.
Yeah.
Yes, Jordan ready. Let me see if girl or boy are gonna win this one. I'm team girl. I'm team girl, alright?
Boy! Team boy! Yeah!
Whoa, Kelly.
Boy win!
Christian come out second time. Second try. Have a funny feeling a girl gonna win this one.
Yo, guys, look at my orange juice. I put the bun in there.
Let's see how it goes. Present here, Adrian. Don't worry, you're just testing the seat to see if it fits. Alright? Who is out? What? I know I thought for sure that you were going to win. I thought for sure that you were going to win. Alright, so let's go. You can see a boy are going that one there, but let's see. Let's see who gonna win. He's just testing the seat to see if it fits. Just seeing if it fits. That was definitely a good one. That was a good one. Already I'm excited to talk to you as well, alright?
Just gonna eat it.
I'm first time number 7. Yes,
Sweet.
yes, stay there. Kyrie, what you do
Sister there. I do the dirt. Hey. Carry one. Carry one.
I want to thank everybody for coming to celebrate Kyrie on his first birthday. Right, Kyrie? Right, Kyrie? Right, Kyrie? 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 Boy, I'm have to work past miles today now. It's so miserable. Alright. So thank you guys for coming. So we're gonna sing happy birthday to Kyrie and have some sweets, some more sweets. Kyrie, we're having a little bit. So we have some more sweets.
Yes.
Wait, Adrian.
Junk food forever. Junk food.
Ready?
Junk food forever. Yes.
Alright. After two, we'll see. After 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyrie.
Happy birthday to you.
Again, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyrie. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
One.
What time do you put up your one?
One.
One.
Show them one. One.
So it's one, okay? Come, one. One.
Kai, you're shy.
No one today?
Kai, you're
No one today? Alright, Kyrie, well, this is your cake.
Say one thing.
This is your cake, Kyrie. So, this is our animal theme because Kyrie, actually, Kyrie really enjoy playing with animals, with these animals, So, right, Kyrie? Ready? So, Kyrie's gonna blow out his candle. Baby, you wanna assist him? After 2, Jaden, come help Kyrie blow out him candles. Jaden, come help Kyrie blow out him candles. Let's step on the cake.
Kai, go so.
As possible for him to step on the cake. Wait, Jaden. After 2, 1, 2. Good job. We're going to attempt to do a cake smash. Let's see if Kyrie actually wants to touch his cake.
We can put him foot in it.
You like it, Kyrie? You like it? This is your cake. This is your cake. You want to touch it?
Kai, you want to jump in it?
You want to touch it?
You want to mess up the clothes?
Want to touch it?
Come touch it.
You want to touch it? You want to touch your cake? Want to touch something? Like it's actively not touching it. Something?
Yeah.
You want to touch something? How does that taste?
Yes.
You like it?
Oh, yes, you did. And come peep, taste. Taste it. Taste some more. Like
How is
it?
that? How is that, Kyrie?
You like it? You want to touch again?
You want to dip your hand in it?
Nope. No, don't touch mommy. You want to touch again?
Come touch cake. Touch
You want to
cake.
touch cake again?
If you touch cake,
You
you
want
get
touch cake again?
prize.
Oh, you want to taste this? Want to taste it? In your mouth? Alright. Well, that's, I think, as most of us smash out we are gonna get. Alright, guys, so cake sharing time.
Yep.
Who want ice cream? Who want
We want ice
Who want ice cream?
Ice cream?
Auntie, all the eyebrow I eat. Eyelash.
I got a big man. Big up on the birthday, Dan, Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah. One boss.
Tell him happy birthday. No, there's Kyrie. Tell him happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Say that again.
Say it again.
Happy birthday. Nice.
Say Kyrie.
Ah.
You wanna
Nice.
sing? You wanna sing?
You want to sing?
Yeah.
Alright, sing for
give me
it.
a song.
Happy birthday to you.
To you.
Yes.
Happy birthday, dear
Kyrie.
Happy birthday to you. Yes. Yes.
For serenading.
Yes. Yeah. I wanna make some money. You wanna go back home. Watch for them richer than we.
Whatever ice cream is this?
Cookie and cream.